Appositives in English grammar. Easy guide with examples. Appositives are a noun or noun phrase that renames or explains another noun right next to it. Think of it as a little extra info bubble for your main noun. For example, that guy wearing the blue hat has a problem with me. Restrictive appositives are the must-have appositives. They give essential information about the noun, so you don't use commas to separate them. For example, my friend George loves baking. Without a restrictive appositive, the sentence wouldn't make full sense or could be confusing. Non-restrictive appositives are the extra info appositives. These appositives are set off with commas or sometimes dashes or parentheses. For example, London, the city that never sleeps, is always buzzing. They give additional details about a noun, but the sentence would still make sense without them. Let's learn how to use appositives correctly. Firstly, placement matters. Always keep the appositive right next to the noun it's describing. If you move it too far away, the sentence will sound confusing or even silly. My sister, a brilliant doctor, lives in London is correct. My sister lives in London, a brilliant doctor is confusing. Mind your punctuation. This is the big one. Restrictive appositives, the must-have info, don't have commas, while non-restrictive appositives, the extra info, do. The city Paris is famous for its fashion, is restrictive with no commas. Paris, the city, is famous for its fashion, is non-restrictive and has commas. Keep it clear. Don't stack too many appositives in one sentence. It makes your writing heavy and hard to follow. One appositive is usually enough. Two if you really need them. My brother, a footballer, a great cook, a dog lover, is visiting this weekend, is overloaded. My brother, a footballer and great cook, is visiting this weekend, is clearer. Let's see some common mistakes to avoid. Firstly, comma chaos. One of the biggest slip-ups is putting commas where they don't belong, or forgetting them when they're needed. Remember, non-restrictive appositives need commas, while restrictive appositives don't. My brother Jack loves pizza is wrong. My brother Jack loves pizza is correct. No commas, you need Jack to know which brother. My brother Jack loves pizza is correct. Commas because Jack is just extra info. Too many extras. Stuffing a sentence with appositives makes it messy and hard to follow. Stick to one appositive per sentence, two at most if they're short and simple. My teacher, an expert in maths, a published author, a keen cyclist, gave us homework, is overloaded. My teacher, a published author, gave us homework, is clearer. Mixing them up. Appositives aren't the same as adjectives or clauses. An adjective describes a noun, and a relative clause gives more detail with who, that, or which. Appositives, on the other hand, rename or explain the noun right next to them. My car, a second-hand Toyota, is very reliable. A second-hand Toyota is the appositive. My red car is very reliable. Red is an adjective. My car, which I bought second-hand, is very reliable. Which I bought second-hand is a relative clause. To sum it up, appositives might seem small, but they make a big difference. They smooth out your writing, add detail without fuss, and make your sentences feel more natural. That's why they're useful everywhere. Essays, emails, stories, even casual chats. See you in the next lesson. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.